Hey, really excited to share with you today my wine club purchase from Pondview Estate Winery in Niagara-on-the-Lake. It is my third box that I've been delivered. I get it not every month, but every other month or so. And it's $100. I get 4 bottles of wine, usually 2 whites and 2 reds. And I love it. I love it. I give some of the wines away as gifts, or we try them, or we put them in the cellar. It's amazing. And they have lots of different tiers. Just go to the website, pondviewwinery.com, and go to the wine club area and you'll find everything you need. $99, no fees, and you get actually some really great benefits. If you go to the winery, you get 15% off all non-wine products. So they have tons of food packages and little, well, everything that's not wine, you get 15% off. And you can bring 6 friends in for a free tasting if you want. It's amazing. They have lots of events, especially in the spring and the summer and the fall, all tied into Grape and Wine Festival and all those kind of things. It's fabulous. So let's get into this box. I'm so excited. Here it is. My newly delivered wine club from Pondview. You know, it's $100 a month. You get 4 bottles of wine, and it is the fabulous wine from Pondview Estate. There's my newsletter. It's all right there for you. Tasting notes on all the wine that you receive, so we can go through that a little bit. And of course, they give you the wine list, the updated wine list from where they get it. Now, let's get into the wine. Beautifully packaged, lovely, I love it. So we have a Bellaterra Pondview Chardonnay, 2016, beautiful bottle, beautiful white wine. So that's one that we will certainly enjoy. My wife is a Chardonnay drinker, so she loves the Chard. And Cab Merlot, 2017. And another, I've had this actually before, and it is a fabulous wine. 13% alcohol, and it's just one of their mainstays at Pondview, for sure. Next one is a Sauv Blanc, which, I mean, Sauv Blancs in the Niagara region have really come around. This is a 2016 vintage, and again, just a wonderful, crisp, clean Sauv Blanc that you will just love. I know it's winter time, but you know, sometimes you want a nice daytime sip around the fire. This is it right here. Check it out, Sauv Blanc. And then last but not least, their 2014 Cab Sauv. Now I have not tried this, but my buddy has tried it and he says it is drop dead amazing. You can feel the weight of the bottle. This is a premier selection, and this is something, 14% alcohol. You're gonna love this. 2014 Cab Sauv, right from Pondview, the Bellaterra vineyard, I believe it is from, in that area. So, hey, that's the wine club from Pondview. It's a fabulous deal. You don't have to have, you're not, there's a box there. You're not obligated to have a year's subscription or anything like that. You want a month? Get a month. You want 2 months? Get 2 months. You want 6 months? Go ahead. You don't have to do it every single month. But check this out, Pondview Cellars in Niagara-on-the-Lake, Line 2. You are gonna love this wine. They're doing a great job. Hey, hope to see you really soon. Take care.